Brian Ramirez. I'm from Santa Fe, New Mexico. This is my 1996 Acura Integra. It's a J32A2 mid-engine rear-wheel drive with a 6-speed attached to it. The car has intake, headers, 150 shot, and weighs roughly 2,300 pounds. Just the car. Car is tuned on AAM Series 2. It was tuned by Eric, Sasquatch SQC tuning in New Mexico. It did 247 horsepower all motor and 400 on 150 shot. Today we are here in Colorado Springs. Car did a 120A in the half a mile on all motor and 146 on 150 shot.
The Mustang, Brian Ramirez in that Integra, coming up against Stephen Jones in the Camaro ZL1. Integra is holding his own. There's the Camaro.
I'm running 17x8 conic wheels. They're wrapped in 225 40 17 tires. We bought the car as a shell for $100. It got nothing in it. We pretty much built it the way it is now. We did it in our garage. All the work we did, welding, fabrication, everything we did it. And it took about roughly 2 months to leave it the way it is now. Not too much in parts, just doing labor work. What was the most intense thing on this car. This car has a stock chassis. We built 4 motor mounts connecting the engine to the chassis. The reason we did it like that, stock chassis, is because we built another one before, and for that other Civic, what we did was cut the front end of a Honda, welded it in the back of the trunk on that Civic, but it weighed too much. It had a bump steer. The way we did it now, it has a stock trailing arms, which is welded a knuckle, front knuckle, and so it's all stock suspension in the rear. And for the front, we now have a fuel tank and a radiator. So the previous car, it was a V18 C1 tuned as well by Sasquatch SQC, and that car made 560 wheel HP. But the thing was, we couldn't use that power because it was wild. That car was wild. It would just go to the right, to the left. We couldn't keep it straight, and that was the reason, because it had a bump steer. So every time we did a pull, the car would squat on the back and it would go somewhere. The setup on the V18 C1 was pretty much a turbo Garrett GT35 82. It was a pistons, rods combo, stock head, B16 head with a 5-speed B18 transmission. So the reason we decided to do this one and not keep the other mid-engine Civic was because, like I said, it was too crazy. We didn't like the way we built it, so we learned a lot of things building the other one, testing it, and decided to build this one. This one, it's more reliable. We drove this car from Santa Fe, New Mexico, 4-hour drive, and we raced it, and now we're taking it back, and it's just a bunch of fun. Car's been 13.0 at the quarter mile, all motor. We haven't tested on NITROUS yet. We are hoping to get into the 11s with NITROUS. Our future plan for this car is make it turbo. We're gonna keep a stock motor as well, we're just gonna do a twin disc clutch, injectors, turbo kit, and that's about it. Hopefully we can push around 550, and that's our next goal for this car.
Here you go. Faster. Get into it. I can see that out here. Run there, 128.2 for the Integra, 139 for the Camaro. What we see on the track right now, James is at 91 GTR. Abe Martinez and Nismo 370Z. R34F are loaded as stuff, pretty cool. That there was a 372. 1, 2, 3. That's over Cowboy Motors works. Wipers ready. Excited to see that out again in full action. So that we call that a safe day.